viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can delete the photos permanently from your iPhone. For this, open Photos. Now select the photos you want to delete. Click on Select at the right top corner. Now select the photos you want to delete. Now tap on the bin at the right bottom corner and click on Delete. Tap on Delete. Now the photos has been removed from the album and moved in the recycle bin, just like the windows. Now tap on the recently deleted and tap Select. Now you can see the option here on the left bottom, Delete All. Tap on it and tap on Delete some photos. Now your photos have been completely deleted from your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.